Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Merman Mike. We're out here on the American River again. We've been having a ton of luck here lately, so we figured we'd give it another shot. Don't have too much time today, but all the time we do have, we're gonna spend it diving, so. Whew, we almost lost the paddle. Anywho, we're always out here searching for treasure. If we can find any owners of the lost valuables, we'll always try to get those back to them. Other than that, we clean up all the trash we come across and always are looking for valuables like sunglasses, jewelry, watches, phones, really anything. But yeah, there's a ton of people over here at the spot we're about to check out, so should have some really good luck. Anywho, stay tuned. All right, guys, here we go. I'm glad the anchor got stuck. You got me another phone. Woo! What? Oh, come on. I just found another knife. That's crazy. Little tiny one.
There's no way! Oh my god! Whoa! Oh, right! Whoa! No way! Whoa! Oh my god! Whoa! 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 No! Whoa!
What is up, everybody? It's Merman Mike here. We're out here at the end of another beautiful dive at the American River. Had to move to the parking lot over here because there was some people playing music down there and we don't want to get any copyrights. But yeah, we had an awesome day. Didn't find a ton of treasure, but we did find some awesome treasure. So we'll start at the left-hand side. Found another fishing magnet that's even more powerful than the last one I found. I actually stuck this here to the steel plate just to see how powerful it was, and now I can't get it off, but I'll figure that out later. Yeah, we found these 2 steel plates. Got this cool car, got openable doors. Lost a wheel in its accident, but still thought that was pretty cool. Add that to the collection. Got a payphone. I thought that was probably one of the coolest things, if not weirdest things, I found at the bottom of the river now. And yeah, I don't think we're gonna be able to find the owner and return this, but we did find some phones we might be able to with. So this is an Android, I'm pretty sure. I mean, it might be a super old iPhone, but I'm pretty sure it's an Android. We're gonna put that in some rice and see if we can bring it back to life and find an owner. Other than that, we got the iPhone X. Oh, that was an awesome find. Don't go bacon, my heart. I couldn't if I tried. Anyway, yeah, we can definitely get that in some rice and probably turn that on, find an owner, hopefully. And then we got a really old phone. It's got an SD card right there, so we might be able to see what was on it at least. See if we can get some pictures back to the owner of that phone. Got a portable charger. Probably doesn't work, but once again, we're gonna throw it in the rice. Got 3 knives. Never found a knife before, and today I found 3. Little baby knife, little mama knife, and a papa knife. But got a bunch of lures. This is probably like the second or third one of these I found so far. But other than that, got some chewed up ones, and this one I thought was kind of cool just because it has that weighted head too. Found another pair of sunglasses, which is awesome because I thought this was going to be the first dive where I didn't find a pair, but yeah, that's too cool. I like these little Wayfarers. Got some cool little style on them too. But other than that, we got 2 golf balls, a little FM AM radio type thing. Got a couple pieces of lead, and then coming on up with 25 cents, found a oar, and got something that looks like it's from one of those like closet organizers, but probably like for like a bimini top or some sort of shade for somebody's boat. And then, like always, all the trash. Got broken glass, cans, shirts, towels, all sorts of things in there, but I'm always excited to get those out of the river for you guys. And it just makes me feel good too, because that's just less glass that somebody can step on and completely ruin their day. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please, please, please throw a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends. It always helps me get out here and make some more videos for you guys. I love doing this, and I'd do it every single day if I could for you guys. So please throw a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. All right, have a great one, guys. Until next time. Oh, all right, everybody. Some people would refer to this as a trash can. It's actually designed for trash, holding and disposing of trash. Whoa. Gross. All right, everybody, until next time.